Hi guys, another one of those, well, I don't want to call it 3D, but it's a ball shaped one, jigsaw. Cost me £1 in a charity shop, 72 pieces. Disney Pixar Cars 2, I don't remember their names. Well, that one's Lightning McQueen. Right, looks like the last person who did this one didn't take it apart properly. So, in the spirit of fun, I'll take it apart. There's two ways of doing these. You follow the numbers, or you try and do it like a proper jigsaw puzzle and work from the outside and do the colours. And to be quite honest, I think I'll do the numbers. What did it say? 13 centimetres. It's not going to be very big, is it? Find some numbers. 13, 11. 66. Sort of put them in tens, so we got the same numbers. 59, 30, 30s, 60s, 50s, 40s, 50, 6, 7, 20, 72, 52, 50, 68, 3. I did one of these a little while back. That was a minion. It's only 50 something pieces, but 2 of them were missing. That was a bit annoying. 50 something, 30 something, 60 something, 30, 40, 38, 60, 50, 70, 20, 40, 8, 30, 20, 12, 40 something, 50 something. Just stand up. Move the chair out of the way. 30 something, 20 something, 18, 50 something, 30 something, 40 something, 17, 51, 70, 60, 30, 2, 1, 1, 2, okay. 6, 19, a broken piece. Okay. 53, 10, 67, 42, 47, 34, 22, 23, 15, 63, 69, 27, 61, 28, 41, 26, 21, 16, 4, 49, 57, 43, 5. Okay, we'll go for it then. Let's bring all that lot down, push that lot up. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Alright, we'll spread around a bit. And we don't know which one that is. Right, they have an arrow to show you where the next one is going to be. So number 1 is pointing that way, so number 2 is there. You then have to guess, well, I say guess, you find out which way the next one goes. So 3 is going to go on this edge. Four on there. 5. 6. Or is that 9? No, that's 9. There's 6. Makes a difference. It fits. 7. 8. 9. We had earlier. It's 9. 10. 11. 12. 13. 14. 15. 16. 17. 18. 19. Right, I'll put that one in the box for now. So now into the 20 pile. 20. 21. 22. 23. 24. 25. 26. 27 is broken. And there we go. That's 27. Is there any point in trying to glue that? we'll have a little break. I'll go and see if I can glue that. Back again. I'll put a bit of tape, then super glue, and then another bit of tape. When I looked at it, somebody had already tried gluing it anyway. So, well, we'll see. See if it falls apart as soon as I put it in place. That's going to go there, that's going to go there. Alright, so that's 27, 28. 29. Okay, now the 30s. Uh, 30. I'm going to panic then for a minute, I couldn't see 30. 30, 31. 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. Really? Yeah. 39. It's got to be down there like that. How are we looking? Yeah. Okay, on to the 40s. 40. Where were I? 39. Where were I? Where was I? 40. 41. 42. 43. 44. 45. 46. Really? That way. Yeah, that way. 47. 48. 49. 'On to the 50s. 50. Not so easy for you to see what I'm doing now, is it? 52. That's got to be there. 53. 54. Sequences, they either go right or, yeah, sort of going round in, well, round in a circle. 55. beginning to get a little bit tight in there. 57. 58. 59. Now the 60s. 60. 61. Where are you there? Right. 62. 63. Getting short of space. 64. Did I say that just now? 65 in there. 66 up there. 67. 68. 69. 's the next one. I think we can do this from the outside now because we can make out the pictures. There we go. I'll tell you what, I like that. Leave it up. Where are we? That direction. Yeah. There we go. Job done. Thanks for watching. If you like that, then you might like this. And if you like this and that, you might like to subscribe over there.